Meow. Meow. This is such a long kitty. So I'm just starting with the front parts and get that nice long swoop of that back, kind of a sway back. So I just kind of go with what feels right when it comes to where to start, and just follow the road that my pencil seems to choose. Intuition. Letting my intuition guide me around. Just working on getting the shapes and the angles right. That head needs to be a bit higher because I feel like this kitty is holding their head quite high. Very alert. Checking out the surroundings. I'm going 2 times the speed and voicing over. Just the angle of those ears is really important for them to look convincingly like a cat's ears. And it helps to get that little muzzle in first before I start adding subtle hints of features. Let me know what kind of poses you want to learn how to draw cats in. Drop me a comment, tell me about yourself or your cat. I always love to hear from you. So I just kind of go by intuition, just kind of getting the feel of where those eyes go to, and in comparison to the ear and the nose. Just get a feel for it and hesitate. Hesitate when you have to. And just if it feels in the wrong place, then move it slightly. Nice little smirk. I love characterizing my cats. It's the expression I love more than anything. And you'll find what it is for you. With lots of practice, your true style comes out. It's really a self-expression. Your drawings are your interpretation of your world. And the tabby stripes really help to give it a bit of contour. And more expression too. I just reinforce the lines that are really important where I want the eye to go. Yeah, a bit too much there. I like kitty. A lot of hesitation gives time to ponder and think, where do I do next? Is that a good move or not? Will that be too many lines? Remember, less is more. And we'll add some whiskers with a bit of crossover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.